This video is to assist you in prepping for your upcoming consultation. You should have received a consultation confirmation email from our office. If you did not receive that email, please call our office so we can resend it to you. That email is going to confirm the day and time of your consultation as well as the location of the appointment, or if it's virtual, it will confirm whether it's phone, FaceTime, or Zoom. That email will also provide the payment link for the consultation fee. So we accept payment via credit card, debit card, e-check, or legal financing loan, and that's via LawPay. If your consultation is virtual, please make sure to submit that payment in advance of your consultation. Also, if you don't know how to find our office and your consultation is in person, we have Google Maps on our website with our location, so all you have to do is put in the directions from your house to our office. Now, at the White Plains office, we do have private parking available, and that's connected to the building. It is free parking. So all you have to do is when you arrive at the building, just pull right into the front of the building, and there's a speaker right there at the driveway. Let them know you are here for Suite 402. Now, at the Bronx Riverdale office, there is only street parking available. Usually there is ample street parking available, but if for whatever reason you cannot find parking nearby, there is a public lot just 2 short blocks away, and that's on the corner of 231st Street and Corlier Avenue. Now, at the consultation itself, we recommend that you appear at the office approximately 10 to 15 minutes prior to the consultation to make sure that you have time to fill out the intake forms, pay the consultation fee, and get settled. If your consultation is virtual, again, please make sure to email back the completed intake forms as far in advance of your time as possible. If for whatever reason you cannot sign the forms or complete the forms, please call us or email us in advance so that we can assist you with that process. Okay. You should also bring into the consultation, or if it's virtual, email it to us, any relevant documents you would want me to review. So that means if it's a divorce case and you were served with divorce documents, you would want to bring in that paperwork with you. Likewise, if it's a family court case and you were served with a petition or an order or something like that, please bring that paperwork in with you to the consultation. Likewise, if it's virtual, email it to us in advance. Also, if it's a modification or enforcement case, you will want to bring in the prior order and any relevant agreements that were incorporated into that prior order. Now, particularly for a 50-minute case strategy session, you will want to bring in some of the basic financial documentation that you may want me to take a look at. And if it's a custody case, you would want to bring in at least a small sampling of evidence that you may want me to review as part of the consultation, such as texts, audios, videos, things of that nature. Now, that said, if you have extensive documentation for me to review, such as a prenuptial agreement or proposed settlement agreement or proposed separation agreement, you will want to let my receptionist or legal assistant know that in advance, because I may charge an additional consultation fee for my review of that document in advance of the consultation. So, in other words, if that document is, say, 20 or 30 or 40, 50 pages long, your consultation time will usually not cover my review of that document, as well as leave enough time left over to actually discuss that document with you. So, please make those arrangements in advance of the consultation. Also, at the consultation itself, I will assess the case for you, particularly at a case strategy session. Again, case assessments usually meant for simple or just a few questions. We will usually have time in that case strategy session to discuss the best strategy for your case moving forward, as well as answer questions that you may have on the case itself or what I would potentially do as your attorney. Now, what you would want to do at the consultation is raise any questions with regards to your case strategy, and I can attempt to provide clarity for what I can do for you as an attorney, and on the flip side, what I can't do for you as an attorney. Finally, at the consultation itself, we will discuss fee quotes, and we will usually follow up with a retainer agreement from there, assuming you and I determine this is a good fit for each other. Now, if you have any questions about the consultation, please call us or email us in advance, and we're happy to answer any questions that you may have. We look forward to meeting with you, and again, if you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.